everyone, I am back with another video. So on this haircut, I actually showed it on my every haircut challenge. If you want to go ahead and look at that, I'll go ahead and post a link to it right here on this video. You'll see something pop up. But either way, I wanted to go ahead and show this tutorial out because the cut came out so clean at the end. And so we're doing a high bald fade with the hard part along his parietal ridge on the left side. And so we're gonna start with this haircut by taking off the bulk on his sides with the 1.5, and then we're gonna go ahead. I believe I believe it's a 1. Yeah. Forget that 1.5. I believe I did a 1. So we do a 1 on the sides, a high bald fade, starting with that bald line. After the bald line, we go ahead and use our shavers to get that razor bald look. So let's go ahead and get to the video. As you can see, I'm coming in with my shavers, kind of about 3/4 of the way to give that razor bald look. And I don't go all the way to the bald line because it's not going to create that nice transition that you get from the razor bald to the trimmer. Next, with the blade all the way open, I'm going about 1 inch all around the hair. And after I get all of that consistency done with the blade open, I close my blade all the way, and then I start blending from the trimmer to the blade open. And then afterwards, I adjust my levers I need to, so I can go ahead and blend the fade well. And now here I'm using my half guard, and I flick out motion using my corners, very carefully doing this detail work. So now I'm working on the other side, and this one's gonna be more of a fast forward because all I do is I do the exact same steps. What I do from this side, I do it to the other. So yeah, it's gonna be more fast paced, and just stay tuned for the end result. It's really fire, really crispy. This is like actually this is barely the second time I actually do a hard part, and I honestly think it came out crispy. I was just like, oh, I know what to do. Like, I knew where to put the line, and I asked him if it was okay, and he was like, yeah bro, just go for it. And I did, and he was just like, dude, this came out fire. And I actually think it came out fire too. So stay tuned for the rest of the haircut. Everyone, it is up to us barbers, to make our clients, everyone, look good. We are not heroes. We are not superheroes. We don't have powers. But you know what we can do? We can save lives by transforming these people into a better version of themselves. Look at them. Look at the transformation. This is our power, everybody. Let's own it. Let's get it.